Hi everyone. In this video I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn a regular product image into an impressive product design using AI, all for free. You can do this on your phone if you prefer. I am going to show this on my PC. The process is pretty much the same. Go to your browser and search for perfume product photography. Go to the Images section. Feel free to choose any image you like. I'm going to pick this one. Right-click on it to save the image. Then I open it in Photoshop to remove this extra text. Make a selection of it, using the rectangle marquee tool. Go to the Edit menu, and use these settings, and hit OK. Press Ctrl+S to save it. I have a product image and another one that I just downloaded. Open ChatGPT and make sure you're logged in. Click on the plus button to load the images. Type or paste the prompt here. You can modify this according to your product image. This prompt is mentioned in the description of the video. And hit the Generate button. It may take a bit of time. And it's done. I replaced the logo, everything else is perfectly done. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.